世界中のチャートで堂々と1位に輝いているアルバム「ブレックファースト」よりチリーバースでございます。Can I take a picture and ask for the permission? And y'all really have to, homie, it's your decision. So nervous, showing your friends is the only purpose, and you just wanted something that would make it all worth it. Well, here's a picture I would gladly oblige. You see me from afar, and so a scheme you had to devise. And I said, baby, you fine, have some things on my mind. You slip me your number, said call me at a moment in time. Don't mind if I do. Hashtag time is money, so I'm focused on putting some extra paper in my cash bag. If I was broken, bummy, that would be inadequate. But if they trying to get swelly, then I'm the advocate. Shit is a piece of cake, oven full, easy bake. Used to steal my brother's card, now I'm not gonna need a fake. It's peanut butter and swell. We just living in the moment, if you can't tell. Will you rise to stay? No time for cameras, we'll be going with it. No time for cameras, will you rise to stay? I see you flashing yeah, hey yo, the cameras was ill, that was a great look. If I accept you, please don't tag me on Facebook. I know you trying to be personable, but you don't gotta hit the tag to feel personal. Yeah, he's king, pussy, money, we need three things. Shit, I'm prepared to grapple with whatever these bring. Spazzing on tracks at home, all calm things, and planning getaway dates with your girl in Palm Springs. But that's either here nor there, we be flying everywhere. Yeah, I am the pilot of the newly launched Rally Air. And what city are we headed to, and where's the telly there? We gon' need some Dutchies then, we gon' hit the deli there. That's if you're wondering, fanfare humbling. I be on my Twitter shit, she be on Tumbling. And it's fine, Matt and Kim, this is just a sample. I'm ripping the stages, then dealing with all the camera time. No time for cameras.